Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2014 Buick Encore, stock number 17B218A. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and a chrome grille. A look down the passenger side, you have alloy wheels. Looking at the tread on the tires. Inside, leather interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. Up top you have a sunroof. Swinging around to the back end now, you have a rear backup camera on the back. Looking inside of the hatch, there's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need additional storage room. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside you have cruise, audio, and Bluetooth controls. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo. Dual climate control and dual heated seats and a heated steering wheel. And your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Buick on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more can be found at holidayautomotive.com.